All right, up on the roof, looking at a place. It's on the Sunset Strip in Hollywood. Got a kitchen exhaust here. Customer just had this cleaned, or actually the former tenant just had it cleaned. It actually looks okay, right? Look at that. This is unusual. I don't normally see something that's clean. Right? Not too bad. But I noticed the fan shakes a little bit. Let's take a look at the fan blades. So they cleaned it and they did a pretty damn good job on the whole thing. But they didn't get the blades cleaned. And as a result of that, it's not too bad, but it's shaking. Probably can't tell with the camera, but it's a little bit of noise. Fan blades just aren't totally clean, but overall not a bad job. So this is just going to need a cleanup to address those blades, an access port here so you can get to those fan blades, and then most importantly regular preventive maintenance once every 3 months. Bryan Exhaust Service will take care of it.